What's up, guys? Mike here. I got a lot of you guys asking me to do update on ticker symbol LCA, known as Landcadia Holdings, soon to be merging very soon with Golden Nugget, and the ticker symbol will be changing to GNOG. And I got some big news for you guys that I'm going to be discussing in this video regarding some SEC rule news that Landcadia Holding has been doing, and I want you guys to know it is time for some news for merger, and I'm going to be updating you guys in this video, so make sure you guys stick to the end because a lot of important news is going to be discussed in this video. So I want you to guys know not to miss anything because I'm going to go over all the charts and analysis, because right now LCA is super bullish. It is going to be climbing, and we're going to go over all the chart analysis, all the technical analysis, whether you guys should be buying, whether you guys should be holding, and until what price should you guys decide to sell, because I'm going to go over excuse me, all of that in this video, and I'm going to make sure you guys all have the best advice that you can consider and make your own best decision when it comes to LCA and what you guys can do and how to become profitable in this stock, because there's a lot of good news coming out for this company, and I want you guys to make sure you are doing the best move for you. All right, so with that said, make sure to always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's go over Landcadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA, soon to be merging with Golden Nugget, and ticker symbol will be changing to GNOG. As we can see, the past few days, LCA and pretty much the whole market has been on a rise. And let me tell you guys why I am actually super bullish on this stock. And that is because LCA finally has gone over the 20-day moving average. And what is that? That is the blue line, is the 20-day moving average. And usually when a stock goes above the 20-day moving average, it becomes super bullish, obviously, until it is not. And I think LCA has plenty of room to keep growing. In my last video, I told you guys $11, $12 is dirt cheap for this stock, right? It is dirt cheap for where the stock is heading, right? If you're holding this long term, this definitely could be the next DraftKings. All right, check out also my last video on DraftKings if you guys want to make some big bank on that stock. I just made a video on it, and I'll tell you exactly why you can make a lot of money in that stock. So check my previous video. A link in the script at the top will pop up if you guys want to check out DraftKings in my last video, because it is right now super bullish, and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. Anyways, back to LCA. Right now, it is super bullish. It is above the 200-day moving average, and it is also above the EMA as well, which is the exponential moving average. This is just the simple moving average. This is the exponential moving average, and both of these, usually when you're above this line, makes it very bullish. All right, it's very bullish right now, and this stock will definitely be climbing for the next few days. And also some merger news just came out, so definitely a lot of good news is going to be discussed in this video, and I'll show you guys as we go along. All right, as you can see, MACD finally crossed over. This is a super bullish signal. All right, when MACD crossed over, super bullish signal. When did it happen? Right here. And then boom, we got our horizontal shift telling us this stock will definitely be moving up. All right, and then we also have TSI crossing over, another super bullish signal telling us going up, and TSI has really exponentially moved up, which is actually very good. When you see TSI moving up this much below the red line, this is very bullish signal. All right, and already we can see MACD moving up as well. But let's see where we're going. All right, I told you guys dirt cheap if you're getting it around 11, 12 bucks. This was dirt cheap. All right, dirt cheap. And right now, this is your resistance line. Sorry, support line. This is the support line where if anything happens, this is where it's going to go back down. But it is not going down right now. Right now, it is super bullish. Why did it stop here? It's because it hit resistance. All right, there's a lot of resistance right here. But I am very bullish on this. Where do I see this next? Easily, this stock can go around to $14.50. Maybe even $14.25. All right, easily you can get there. All right, we know the stock can move, but this stock moves very slowly. All right, what did it do last time? It moved very slowly. It moved up maybe about $1 a day, 90 cents, 80 cents a day. The stock does not move very quickly, okay? I want you guys to know that this stock takes a while to go up, but it will get up there. Where do I see its max potential right now? I think around 16 bucks, 16.50 is a heavy, hardcore resistance line, all right? This is huge resistance right here. If it breaks the resistance line, it's going to go to 18, all right? They also already announced earnings, and they did very well in earnings. They made about, what was it? I don't remember the exact profit revenue, but I think it was over $25 million in profit. And as I told you guys, Golden Nugget is a profitable company, all right? DraftKings is not a profitable company, but Golden Nugget is a profitable online gamble company, and it is very, very good stock in the future. If you plan to hold this long term, I think you will do very well, especially if you bought it around 11, 12 bucks. That is dirt cheap, and if you're planning on holding this long term, that is one of the best moves you can definitely make. But if you are doing a swing with me, this is where you're going to be selling around 16.50. You could be selling some of your shares. 18 is another sell zone. Already we have the RSI into the 58 range, and this was just a $2 move, all right? Went from 11 bucks to around 12.50-ish. Right now it's around 13.44, and actually after hours it went around 13.60. So we're good. This stock is super bullish. I'm telling you guys, this stock will continue to move up. All right, I'm telling you, we're going to definitely hit 70 RSI around 16.50. That's where I think RSI will be around 17.50 when it goes into the $16 range. And we should be definitely seeing that very soon this week. All right, let me show you why I think LCA has definitely the potential to go 16 bucks because of merger news. Now, let's go over merger news right now. All right, guys, like I told you, LCA just last week on November 2nd posted this on the SEC website. They said, here is some update on merger. And what did they say? They said that by the end of November, this merger is going to happen. Obviously, as long as the vote goes through. They already reported June 28, merger is happening. But by November, end of November, we should definitely see Landcadia Holdings merger completed and switch to GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. All right, that's going to be the new name, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, and it is going to be changing the ticker to GNOG. All right, you guys should be receiving some votes in your emails very soon this week, probably from your brokerage account asking you to vote. So make sure you vote yes if you want to make more money on this stock. Obviously, you want the merger to happen. So I'm telling you guys, this finally is happening. All right, this is huge merger news, huge. All right, end of November, this company will merge with Golden Nugget. LCA will be gone and it will be GNOG. All right, so this is great news. If you want to definitely hold for long term, get in now. This still 13 bucks is pretty cheap. But once it hits 15, I do not recommend you guys to get in there. I think it's going to become overvalued until some crazy news comes out with this company. But if you saw my previous video on DraftKings, DraftKings is becoming legal in several states, and so is Golden Nugget. They already reported that they are going to be working with 2 other states to become legalized doing online gambling. And I promise you, if they just start with these 2, you can expect an expansion, and they're going to be expanding to other states, and they're going to be making it legal in several other states, just as DraftKings has done it. So will Golden Nugget, and they are going to be very, very profitable in the future because they already are profitable now, and they're going to be profitable in the future. If any of you guys want to do options on this, stick tuned. I'm about to go over options right now for you guys. So if any of you guys want to do options in this company on this stock, where do I say to do options on? I think about December should be a good option pricing. And I don't think you should be buying higher than $15. All right, this should be your highest call option. I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's not worth taking high risk because I told you guys this stock takes a while to move up. and 15 bucks is the best. If you're gonna really push your luck, don't buy higher than 17.5. All right, the implied volatility is already pretty crazy high. All right, and if you want to do it, you can do in the money as well, but that's going to be a little bit more pricey, a little bit, actually almost double what $15 is. So what do I say? I say do the $15. That's going to be your best pricing. If you want to do a long-term option, February is pretty decent price. It's pretty much cheap. It's like the $12 option if you were going to do it in December, which makes it extremely cheap, right? Like you're getting 2 months value into one. That's pretty dope. I really think this would be actually a much better option price if you're going to do long term. If you're going to do short term, go with the December 18. If you want to do long term, go with the February 19, $15. This is dirt cheap, actually, $210, going for the same price as the December 18 for $12.50. That's really good. That's a really good cheap option. And these are the best two I would recommend. $17.50 is a little bit pushing your luck. I rather you guys do the cheaper option on the $15 instead of the 17, because you're taking less risks and you're going to be definitely more profitable in the long run as well. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I post any buys or sales I do. I do post it on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do a video on, or ask me any questions, and I will do my best to give you my best advice on any specific stock. Or maybe I might just do a video on that specific stock that you're asking about, because a lot of you have been definitely asking for some good stocks, and I'm pretty much considering doing those stocks very soon. So please keep the comments coming. I really do appreciate it, and you should be definitely seeing some new videos on new stocks that I've been hearing about from you guys very soon. Also, if you want 2 free stocks on the stock market, WeBull gives 2 free stocks. One for just signing up to use their platform, and a second stock when you make a deposit of $100 or more, and they'll give you 2 stocks, each worth up from about $8 up to $1,600. So check my link in the description below for that 2 free stocks from WeBull. Also, if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives a free stock. Check my link in the description below for that one as well. And you get a free stock, and I get a free stock for using my link in below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.